What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Brody's Live episode. Today's video, we are finishing up some final touches on the main frame of the Dum Dum Mobile. So in this video, we're going to be doing the electrical, hopefully have the fuel tank work, maybe some more welding, and put the seat on it, and look at how I can do the rear fenders. But yeah, let's get right on into it. Got the holes drilled and bolted out to a bigger size. Then we mount the body back down. Got the solenoid mounted where it's actually supposed to be. It's supposed to be right here. So, got that hole drilled. I just noticed that there's two holes up there, which I could have used, but I got two big holes. That's for the throttle. That's gonna go through there. The fuel line, choke cable, all that stuff is going through there. And then electricals on this side. So I'm gonna do the wiring and that stuff off camera because it's just annoying. So let me just get it done. getting ready for full start, and extremely bad news. Engine's cracked. There's oil leaking out, so that's not cool. So it needs a different engine, the bottom's cracked. But I just want to at least see if this fuel pump idea works. So if it does, we'll do that on the replacement engine. Unless we can find one that's already came with a fuel pump. Let's see what happens. Got the wiring done, let's hook up jumper cables and see if the fuel pump works. We're gonna fix it. Just go for it. Yeah. Yeah, fuck it up. Yeah, that's good. That's a good shit. Yeah.
Oh, you cunt!
Piece of shit. Fuck yeah. So we tried to fix it. It didn't work too well. It's not fixing it.
I think it's a little fucked up there, bud.
You can't poke here.
Okay.
Fucking engine. Done with your bullshit.
Cunt.
You know, that was a good engine at one point of time. So here's what I was talking about. This is the engine plate. It's snapped off. And now it's leaking oil out everywhere. So this didn't really work either. I think we need like JB weld it or something.
Well, it wasn't pumping anyways because we weren't getting...
It wasn't spinning fast enough to actually pump anything, so... Hey, we didn't fuck up the magneto. Good. We can still use that.
No way.
I'm really surprised you dented that in pretty good. Oh. Well, I was hoping to drive it in today's video, but it's fucked. And
nature said fuck you.
Yep. So next time on Brody's Live, this thing will be driving with that engine in it, the 17 horsepower. So stay tuned for the next episode. So we got the seat attached, drill some holes, put some nuts on, and yeah. So we're gonna leave it for today. So I hope you enjoyed.
Yeehaw!